Today we're going to talk about vertical to horizontal and why that matters. You see, with horizontal, you give people a little bit more of a view of the landscape around you and the things that's going on, your backdrop, what's happening in the background, keeps people's eyes in motion. Now, I'm not saying that either way is right or wrong. I'm just saying that if we're going to be creators, then we have to think about what the viewer is seeing when they watch it. So if you know that you're doing a long form where somebody's going to sit and enjoy it, then think about their viewing experience other than you, other than what it is that you're working on. Yeah, that's very important, but a lot of times I'll get caught up in that the dogs that's playing in the background, or something that's happening that can still hear what's being said, but I'm looking at something that's going on otherwise. See, when you're shooting like this, people are pretty well stuck to just seeing, well, your pretty face. So just take all these into consideration. If you're going for something that's short, something to throw something out there real quick, then turning your phone vertical, great. But if you're going for a long form video and you want people to be able to sit and watch, and you want them to be able to have the best viewing experience possible, then you turn your phone horizontal. I'm just saying that if you have a beautiful landscape around you, then you don't want them just stuck having to look at one particular spot, where if you turn the phone. Point is, if we're mindful about what we're shooting for, then that gives us an education on, how to provide the best viewing content for our viewers and who we're trying to go for. So whether you're going for a short speed or you're going for a long form, do the best you can with what you have, and remember that the viewer is the most important. Guys, I appreciate y'all being here, creating change, guys. And don't forget to use your pause button. It'll work wonders for your editing, and it's kind of fun too. See you guys.